President Biden continues moving quickly to try to gain control of the pandemic, thrusting Dr. Fauci back into the spotlight and already facing pushback on his relief plan from reluctant lawmakers on both sides. Bloomberg Government's reporter Emily Wilkins joins us now for the latest inside the Biden administration. Emily, good morning. Thank you for being here. President Biden had a busy first full day in office, and today he's going to focus on bringing immediate help for millions who've been affected by COVID. What are the executive actions and orders we will see today?
So today, Biden's going to focus on providing what relief he can to Americans who are struggling with the pandemic. This includes expanding the food assistance program. It includes assisting veterans who are fallen behind on their bills. It's about helping Americans who have not yet got their stimulus check to get that check. And also important today is that Biden is going to start laying the groundwork for a $15 federal minimum wage. Now, that will only apply to federal workers and the workers for federal contractors. Congress would have to move to formally change the national minimum wage to $15.
What is the reaction that he's getting both from members of his own party and from Republicans?
Republicans have pushed back on some of the executive orders. They've said that Biden needs to legislate by going through them, not simply move unilaterally. Democrats, of course, have been supportive of Biden. We saw this exact scenario reversed when Trump was in office. So I don't think anything too surprising there. But Biden's administration is really trying to push the narrative by having him sign all these executive orders that he is getting right to work in a time of crisis.
Well, the time of crisis, of course, is all because of COVID. I'm wondering where the Biden administration stands right now when it comes to vaccine distribution. The rollout over the last month has been very, very bumpy in many parts of the country. Where does the Biden team stand with the vaccine rollout and with public-private partnerships? We referenced Walmart's increasing vaccine distribution at their own stores around the country. Amazon has said that they're willing to help. Is the administration going to tap Amazon?
So it seems like the administration is ready to tap any private company that's willing to help. Their goal is to have 100 million vaccines in Biden's first 100 days. And actually, despite a number of bumps, as you referenced, the U.S. is pretty close to getting that 1 million mark as far as 1 million vaccines per day. But Biden said yesterday, after he signed a number of executive orders relating to the coronavirus, that he did want to start a pharmacy rollout program in early February, where the vaccines would be distributed to local pharmacies. We're talking CVS, Walmart, Walgreens. I mean, you mentioned that Amazon is also willing to help out with this initiative. So certainly Biden is trying to do two things here. Number one, sort of make sure that the federal government is really playing a role in the vaccine distribution, and also work with partners to make sure they can hit that 1 million per day mark.
Emily, there's lots happening in Washington right now. Thinking back to the riot on January 6th, the pro-Trump mob on Capitol Hill, a number of people who died as a result of that.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.